Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Robbers loot Shantadurga temple at Kitla Kepe, decamps with gold and silver worth 30 lakhs. Angry Kepekars threaten of major agitation against rising thefts. Seaplane services to be launched in Goa soon. Civil Aviation Ministry aims to give impetus to inland ecotourism. The sword of uncertainty still hangs on Mickey's induction. BK Hariprasad to arrive in Goa on Monday. Goa to witness high political drama in next 48 hours. Sunburn under strict vigil. CCTV cameras and anti-narcotics team, medical team to keep a close watch. Drugs, narcotics addicts not allowed, claim organizers. And Al Fateh scores a big win over Sarvodaya. Win the match by 9 wickets. Rahul Kenny slams half century, gets the man of the match. And now the news in detail. Robbers burgled the temple of Shantadurga Kitelkarin at Kepe in wee hours on Sunday. Robbers fled away with gold and silver ornaments worth rupees 25 to 30 lakhs. Police have recovered 3 bus tickets from Karnataka as a clue. Police suspect that the gang might be from Karnataka. This is the third time in the current month robbers have struck the temples in Kepe.
The temple of Shantadurga Kitelkarin at Kepe was robbed on Sunday wee hours. The gang looted gold and silver ornaments and have fled away. There are marks of melting of silver and gold ornaments near the scene of offence. Police have recovered these remains from the spot just few meters away from the temple. They have also found 3 bus tickets from Karnataka. Police are investigating the case and doubt that the gang might have entered the state on 20th December. South Goa SP Alan Disa says cops will nab the gang.
आमचे आता सगळे ऑफिसर जॉइन झाल्या कित्याक त्यांची भावना दुखवली आहा आमी सगळे ह्याच विचारान पडलेले आहा आणि आमी सोडचेले ना घ्या.
President of Devasthan Committee Yogesh Naik claims ornaments worth 25 to 30 lakhs are stolen.
देवळा भितर मूर्ती भांगर देवाचे मुखे ढाल तलवार सगळे वेले.
अंदाज कितले लाखां जाले?
25 ते 30 लाखाची जातले.
भांगर आणि सिल्वर धरून.
हय टोटल चांदीची एक मूर्ती आसली ती वेली.
This is the third temple robbery in Kepe in the last 1 month. First it was Chandreshwar Bhutnath at Paroda, then Satiri temple at Kudsade and now Kitla. Kepekars are very upset and are planning for a major agitation against rising temple thefts and failure of the police.
आता सरकाराक रस्त्यार आयले शिवाय आमी खूब पाशेस काडले. आता चंद्रेश्वर भूतनाथाची देवस्थानची जेन्ना चोरी जाली तेन्ना आमी खुबशे तांकां पुलिसेक सुद्दां आमी इतलें सहकार्य दिल्ले कडेन आसा तपास कामा खातीर. तांचेंय काम तशें चल्लां पण जी प्रिव्हेंटीव जी घोशणा आतां इतली जावन सुद्दां सातेरी देवस्थान कुडचड्यार जालें हांगा जालें ती आजुनी ते उपाय योजना करूंकूच शकना. हेजेर आमकां नाराजी आसा आमची.
A reporter from Kitla, Ramesh Naik Raut.
The Civil Aviation Ministry has plans to start seaplane services across the islands in Goa. This is first of its kind in India. 8-seater amphibian aircraft of the state-run Pavan Hans helicopters will provide the passenger service. It will be first launched at the Andaman and Nicobar Island from the new year. Government feels this will help to boost the ecotourism.
The Civil Aviation Ministry has plans to start seaplane services in India. This will give impetus to the ecotourism in the islands. 8-seater amphibian aircraft of the state-run Pavan Hans Helicopter Limited will be used under the scheme. Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel will inaugurate this service in Mumbai on Monday. It will be first used to ferry tourists between Port Blair and Havelock Island. It is expected to be operational by 1st or 2nd January. The 8-seater plane can be used on water surface and on land also. Sources in ministry suggest that these services will be launched at locations having islands. Civil Aviation Ministry has all plans to start this service later in Lakshadweep and in Goa. In Goa, 21 ferries are operating on island routes. Most of the islands are located in Murgaon and Tiswadi Taluka. This service can be used to boost ecotourism in these areas. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congress has decided to send emissary in Goa. Goa may witness a hectic political development on Monday. Goa desk in charge B.K. Hariprasad is likely to arrive in Goa on Monday. He will meet the G10 Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and GPCC Subhash Shirodkar. However, Mickey's induction will be finally decided by the Congress NCP High Commands.
The fate of Mickey Pacheco is likely to be decided in the next 48 hours. Congress Party's Goa desk in charge, Hariprasad, is likely to arrive on Monday. Group 10 has demanded that the High Command should visit Goa and resolve the issue. Hariprasad will meet the Churchill and Company on Monday. The group is opposing the induction of NCP's Mickey Pacheco in the cabinet. Group 10 was formed after NCP demanded sacking of Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza and Tourism Minister Nilkanth Halankar. NCP had also demanded that Mickey Pacheco should be immediately inducted into the cabinet. Churchill and Company has threatened to topple the government if Mickey is inducted back in cabinet. Monday will be the crucial day for Group 10 and Mickey, though the issue will be finally decided by the NCP and Congress High Commands in Delhi. The Churchill Group is waiting for the message from the High Command through its emissary. It's a make or break situation for both the coalition partners. Monday will decide the direction of political developments. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. We'll be right back.